What's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice. You know, so our first things first, I want to thank everybody who's subscribed, who's grabbed a membership over the weekend. You know, I'm dropping videos every day, so I'm still going to thank y'all. Y'all know that's how we start the Monday off. You know, we always thank everybody who subscribed. And if you haven't already, you know, subscribe. If you haven't already, go get your membership. After watching this video, if you ain't gonna want to subscribe and learn from this and get your membership, hey, I don't know. Maybe I'm just giving out too much free game, but I ain't gonna stop doing that. I'm about to show y'all how I'm gonna flip some cars and make some money. So this is gonna be some car flipping advice right quick. So let's get to it. So let's talk about it. I'm about to show y'all how we gonna put this together. So I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna put this together and how we gonna make this profit. And you know, especially with tax season coming up, you know, this will work even if it's not tax season. But we're gonna put this together. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna. I'm gonna show y'all the cars, and I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna all come together. So let's get to it. I'm about to show y'all. So let's get to it. Man, we got the navigator that we bought. Still got the sticker on there because I haven't got the title for it. So I'll leave the stickers on it that let me know I ain't got the title for it. That's what I do got the title for it, but I just ain't cleaned it up yet. So we're gonna focus on this navigator right there. We're about to focus on this Jeep Compass, 2008 Jeep Compass. We're gonna focus on this 2007 Trailblazer. Y'all following me? Are y'all following along? And y'all see right now it needs a paint job, but we're gonna go over all that. You know, paint job. That's it. We're gonna need a paint job. 2007 runs good. Y'all seen it because I picked it up from the detail. We're gonna focus on this Buick right here. Y'all seen when I picked this Buick up. Got a little damage on the side, but you know we ain't worried about that. You know, we ain't worried about that too much. We're gonna focus on this car. So we're gonna focus on this right here, this Ford Escape. About to go spray that off. You know, it's already cleaned up. We're gonna spray it off, and we might focus on the Saturn, but we might not. So, but I'm gonna just show y'all how we're gonna put it together though. So y'all see the cars that we got, and we're gonna flip this. And a lot of these cars are gonna be here till next month. They're gonna sit till next month to tax season when you get the maximum amount of money. Cause I already had the Trailblazer posted. I had it posted right now for like 2,000, which 2,000 for a 2007 Trailblazer that just needs a paint job with no mechanical issues is more than a great deal. But hey, nobody wants to buy it. I mean, people do want to buy it, but they're giving me lowball offers, and so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna take it to Mako and get it painted. But I'm gonna show y'all how it's all gonna come into one. So the Navigator's not paid for, the Buick's not paid for, but the Ford Escape is paid for. Hang on 1 second. The Ford Escape is paid for, the Trailblazer is paid for, the Saturn's paid for, the Jeep is paid for, and Saturn got paid for when I sold the truck. So I sold the truck paid for itself, it paid for the Saturn, paid some bills, and it paid to fix the Saturn, and I still have some money to fix the Saturn. I had a black van that I picked up from the shop in one of my previous videos that I sold, and it paid for itself, and it paid for the Jeep. So when you're flipping cars, you got to make sure, you know, just don't take the profits and run with them and, you know, put it away. You know, when you're flipping cars, keep putting that money in to buy more cars and flipping more cars, because you're about to see how it's all going to come together. So as y'all see, like, the truck got sold, and I sold another vehicle that paid for itself and paid for this Ford Escape. So you just keep reinvesting your money into buying cars. You know, that's why it's good to have a low overhead. You know, me, I don't like spending money. I like to keep overhead. I like to keep my money circulating and keep it going. You know, if you're saving it, you're saving it. But hey, I can save money as well. But we're gonna show you how to. But we're about to get into it on how to profit. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna sell the Ford Escape for $1,200. Just say $1,000 bare minimum. Boom. We're gonna use that 1,000, right? We're gonna use that 1,000 to pay for the we're gonna use that 1,000 to pay for the Lincoln Navigator. You following? Boom. Okay. Bam. So now, so that Ford Escape is boom. So the Lincoln Navigator is 500. We're gonna use that 1,000, take 500, pay for the Lincoln Navigator. Use that keep that remaining 500 to go buy another car for 500 if we can. You know, if we gotta spend a little bit more money, then we will. So boom. So bam. Now the Lincoln Navigator. So paid for. Set that to the side. Wait for tax season. That's $2,500. Boom. Cha-ching, easy money. Boom. Okay, now y'all see the Buick. Buick's not paid for. Boom. Buick, y'all seen in the video, I paid $300 for it. Boom. It's put some hubcaps on and clean it up. Sell the Buick. $850, $900, $800. Just say we're gonna say running car $800. So boom, that's 500 profit. Boom, bam. So we're gonna take that 800. We're gonna pay for the Buick, right? Y'all follow me? Boom, the Buick's paid for. Boom. So we still ain't made. We still technically haven't made any money, even though it looks like we made some money, but technically we still didn't. Boom, y'all following? So boom. So now boom, the Buick sold. It's paid for itself. It's on to a new home. Okay, bam. Now we're gonna take that 500 profit that we did for the Buick, and we're gonna take the Trailblazer, the 07 Trailblazer. We're gonna take that to Mako and use that money from flipping the Buick to pay for a paint job on the Trailblazer. So then boom, the Trailblazer will probably be done painted within a week. And I'm gonna do the whole before and after and just put that all in one video for you guys. But boom, so now bam, that car is to the paint shop. Now nobody's complaining because it's painted, it's gonna be looking all good. You put that right next to the Navigator, right? Boom. So you put that right next to the Navigator. So now that's 25. Now I can sell it for $3,000 because now it's going to be painted and looking good. So now the price only went up now because now but you put that right there to the side. Now you got $2,500. That's $5,000 right there. And then you still have this Jeep that's just sitting here. This Jeep probably just needed. I'm gonna just touch up the paint, and y'all see the paint was needed to be touched up and to get those two little side lights, but that's ready to go. So we're gonna put the Trailblazer after it's painted next to the Navigator, next to the Jeep, and they're all going to be ready to go during tax season, right? Boom, 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 boom. So, and then they're all SUVs, so the SUVs, and they're all going to sell for $2,500, and $2,500 is going to be, they all run good, and they're all going to be cheaper than everybody else's cars. So who the people are going to come? They're going to see my car. They're going to be like, man, those cars are nice and they're running good. And they're cheaper than everybody else's. So people are going to get a good deal on these vehicles, right? They're going to get right. Y'all following? So now people are they're getting their tax money. They're getting a good vehicle, good newer vehicle, because the Jeep is a 2008, the Trailblazer is a 2007, and the Lincoln Navigator is a little bit old, but it's a Navigator. So you got to pay for nice stuff. So now you got boom, a minimum $2,500 for the Navigator. Minimum $2,500 for the Compass, minimum $2,500 for the Trailblazer after it's painted. Bam, $7,500 profit, quick like that, easy. And all that stuff and that's all profit. And now y'all like, oh, what about that Saturn, JJ? Good question. That's when I'm gonna fix the Saturn up, the little remaining pieces on that, and we're gonna flip that Saturn before the end of the month, and we're gonna use that Saturn to pay all my bills, right? Bam. So then look, now you recap it. Now the Saturn is sold and it paid all my bills. It's paid all my bills and got me set up for next month. So next month once these 3 cars sell next month, that's all profit. I don't have to use any of that money to pay anything because selling that Saturn is going to pay for all my bills and set me up in a positive. That's setting me up better. That's already setting me up for next month. And then I can use that. Then I still have that $500 to $600 profit, from the Ford Escape from selling that, right? So now I would buy this month. I could still use that $500-600 to buy another car, and buy another car or two, and flip a couple more cars to end this month to add that along with the Saturn, and then that'll pay my bills. And then flipping those 2 cars, I'll have that money to flip to use to buy some more cars, and then put those cars to the side. So I'll buy 1 car, flip it to pay for 2 cars, then I'll put the car that I flipped over there on the side of the 3 SUVs, and then I'll have 4 cars right there ready for tax season, all ready to go, all ready to make profit. So it can be 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. They can be 4 cars that I just sell for 2,000 only, and that's a profit of $8,000. Quick, simple, and easy. So that's just a little car flipping for me. When you buy a car, try to flip it so you can buy another car. Hey man, if this ain't enough game for you, if you ain't got a membership yet, I don't know, y'all might need to go get a membership so y'all can talk to me. I'll break it down to you and show you how it's really done and stuff like that, even a little bit more. But hey, if you want to just keep watching the channel and supporting and keep giving the free game, free game is going to stay coming on the channel. We got a lot of stuff, man. I got so much content that's dropping. Y'all basically gonna have content like every day with this channel, so you're gonna be learning every single day. But this is all I got for you in this video. Not trying to have it drag on and on and on. I'm just breaking down. I'm probably breaking down in some more, but appreciate you guys for tuning in. And once again, I'm out. Peace. See ya.